Let's answer question one. So here we have to determine the price that generates the more revenue, whether it is the price $5 or whether it is the price $17. So using this graph, which determines the revenue for a given price, we can determine the price. We can determine the revenue when the price is $5. So I'm going to look at the price $5. So this is approximately over here, and we can construct a vertical line so that it intersects the graph. So this is approximately intersecting this point, and clearly this every square corresponds to 500 $500 of revenue. So therefore, till this point, this is $3,000, and this line, which is a distance between this line and this line, it corresponds to another 500. So we can say that this line is 3,500, and this point is middle of this one of the square. So middle means it will be the half of 500 revenue, that is $500. So 500 divided by 2 is $250. So we have to add $3,500 plus this $250, which will give the point which we have located. So therefore 3,500 plus 250, and this equals $3,750. So when the price is $5, the revenue is 3,750. I'm going to write down here. This is 3,750 for a price of $5. Now, similarly, we will determine the revenue when the price is $17. So I am locating 17 over here, which is in the middle of 16 to 18. And when I construct a vertical line, it touches exactly this line, that is this line. So we can easily determine this line is 2000 plus this is 500. So it is $2,500. So the revenue generated when the price is $17 is 2,500. Clearly, 3,750 is greater than 2,700. I'm sorry, 2,500. So therefore, we say that when the price is $5, the revenue is more. So in question two, we determine the price so that the company could sell to make as much as revenue possible. So for this, we are going to look at the graph and determine the maximum value attained by the graph of the function. So clearly, when the price is $10, we see that the graph reaches the maximum point over here. So the maximum point reached by the graph, we can clearly see that this corresponds to $5,000. So at a price of $10, the maximum revenue generated is $5,000. So we say that the company should sell the price at $10, and the corresponding maximum revenue is $5,000. And this answers this question. We now determine the domain of this function. To determine the domain of the function, we have to look at the graph and see where it starts. So clearly, if you look at the graph, it starts at the price equal to 0, and it is defined for all the values of the price till it reaches the price equals $20. And at price equal to $20, it is 0, as well as at price equal to $0, the revenue is 0. So we say that the domain of the function is the price is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 20, and this is in dollars, and we can write down this domain in interval notation as 0 comma 20. So this is the domain of the function. And so we have answered all parts of this question.